Now I'm putting on some sunscreen. I got a little too much. Look, the pool is in front of her door. It's so windy, and that sunscreen I put on, it's very good for kids aged 2+, and it's very good for beach days and pool days, and especially in hot days. So now we are going to the beach. My brother put on some sunscreen and I put some sunscreen as well, and my mom put on her sunscreen. And oh my god, look, there's a horse. Wait, baby. Did you see that? We are like so close to the sea, like it doesn't even take a lot of walking. Like that's our door and we are here. Okay, so it's really rocky here. Oh my god. Yes, bike, yes, you're right. Okay, let's just go first, then we will talk in the sea. There's lots of dirt here. Can you see, baby? Okay, let's go. You will fall, baby. Let's go. Yes. Okay, bye guys. I will record again when we get to the sea. Oh my god, look. Look, horse. Beach now, and Mishti is super excited. Have you seen the name of the place? This is Mandarhoni in West Bengal. It's in India. Okay, you can just have a look to